So you might be having an issue on your iPhone where you are getting this billing problem error. Basically, there's a billing problem, at least with the previous purchase or with your current purchase. Now, the reason why this may be happening for a majority of people out there is usually due to some sort of credit card information or payment method basically being declined. So we make our way over to Apple's own website. They basically state that if you're getting into this specific, situation, it's usually due to either, maybe you don't have a credit card assigned to your account, or the payment method that you had is old and it's not working anymore, and you're going to have to put in a new one. So that is pretty common. So what they recommend doing here is basically going to your iPhone settings here. You want to go and tap onto your name, that's at the very top. And here, you under payment and shopping or shipping, whatever this is, you want to go and click here. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that the credit card information or debit card or whatever you're using, you want to make sure that information is exactly how it's supposed to be. So making sure that you basically have, all your information set up properly. If you got a new credit card, if you got any new information, just go ahead and input that here. And a majority of the time, that's probably all you're going to have to do. From what I've seen, it's as basic as that, and that's probably all you're going to have to do there. Now, if that's still not working, another thing they recommend is to make sure that you don't have any unpaid orders. So this not only includes applications, but I think this also includes Apple products as well. I could be mistaken. So they go ahead and see that if you want to look for an unpaid order, you can go and kind of look through here and then follow these instructions. But you probably already know if you have an unpaid order or not. So if you do know that, then go ahead and pay, or pay those specific bills that you still have. And a majority of the time, that will probably end up fixing it as well. Now, if that still doesn't work, then another thing you can try doing is simply just updating your iPhone. So just go down into your general settings of your iPhone, click on software update up here, and all you want to do here is basically just update your iPhone. So whatever update you have available, just click download and install, and a majority of the time that probably may end up fixing it too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.